This is nicer than the tree because it's discreet.
Yeah.
The cameras will. The other one's really big.
And people can see what you're recording.
Yeah, they can see if there's a monitor, there's a screen. This one's smaller. Let's go to the museum all the way back there.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna walk here.
Let's walk here first.
I'm gonna stop my walk.
Alright.
You start your walk, right?
There. Oh, it's hard. It's nice. We bike here before, right? And it's really long. Kitsilano Beach. So this is not. It won't rain today.
Ooh,
We were supposed to be there today.
God, it's cold, yeah.
You know that
Oh,
that
that
house,
guy.
the rental
He's
unit,
wearing just a shirt and a short.
right? It's really cold.
It's really cool.
He's wearing like a t-shirt. Wearing a. He doesn't even look like he doesn't even look like he's working out. Yeah. But these people here, see?
Girl, swim in the pool.
What?
They're swimming. Look at those guys.
What? It's like freezing cold. How?
The heck?
I'm not gonna go there. My shoes
That guy's going in right now. Even those guys there earlier. I think it's like a thermal thing.
yeah.
Ice pump, yeah. They're doing it on purpose, no? Well, that girl. So cool.
So cool. You can do it at home. Just don't turn on the heat. Tiny Tom Cruise. Like that guy.
Looking.
Mm-mm.
Oh, look at that guy. The shorts. Look at that. Look at that guy's shorts. It's not even running or anything.
That
I want
sounds
to
like
be-
sounds like fat flies, fat packs of fat
I
flies.
can see, yeah.
Before you fly in, is it just that? Or before you clock check in?
Yeah. What is this? There's chairs here.
Judges.
Oh. There's a lot, yeah, I mean, what fly? Can you hear it?
Right? Haley Western, right? That's not Haley Western, right? I saw on her Instagram. She's like in USA, visiting a friend. I'm like that, or Canada. Yeah. Are you praying for Chris? Krispy Kreme. There's a wheelchair. Really loud. Huh?
You're really loud.
No, it has to be heard so they can pass. They're fast. Oh, look at the dog there. Ryan, dog. See, it's laying down there. Where? There. See in the corner. There. I'm gonna record it.
Dog.
She fell. Oh, there's a dog behind. Dogs everywhere. It wasn't here on the incident. It's in Yaletown. Pitbull attack, no? Yeah. Pitbull. People know each other, no people. Good morning. How's the business going? Oh my god, I can't believe some people actually swimming in the beach. The people woke up really early. Earlier than us. They've already been playing here for a while now. Yeah. Right? Some people are getting ready to do whatever. They're playing volleyball. Look at that house. Look at that house. There's one house. That's not a condo. That one. There's a house near the waterfront. Like these people playing basketball, you don't know one of them live in there. Excuse me, which one is it? There's...
I watched all three separate things.
So small. Whose dog is that? It's their dog. Oh really? Hey, look at them. The dogs like that. Air. They look at, right? They look at their own. It's easy to use to this one, air. It has separation anxiety, you know. Yeah, it's always looking. See, there's a boat. You can go to Granville Island from here. This is the dog being doing this music. The dog being doing this thing. Oh, this? That mud? Yeah. Mud? Mud? Doing this music. That's so cute. How dogs are so majestic. I wanna try to scuba dive. Look at that under there, Ko. Looks nice, right? Are they waving at me now? No. Wait, where are they going? Oh, they're gonna go there. Oh, you can pay. You can go here. So from here, you can go all the way to. Yeah, that goes to Granby Island. It says no pickups, no drop-offs, but there's. Where are they going? Where are they parking?
Mark.
Up to the toes?
Mm-mm.
A poop.
Where?
Up here, there. Oh yeah, there's a poop.
Oh, not here.
It's those things.
Is she gonna get scared of us if you're just gonna
I don't think so. A lot of geese. It's Wait, can we even go here because this wing's gonna attack us? No, I don't think so. Go first then.
There's no.
Okay, don't mind us. We're just passing through. Okay, lady.
Is the leader? Ah, this is observatory. What is this?
Yeah, we went here before. It's observatory, the specific one.
Right?
With Marie's Lodge.
Right? Actually, we right.
I remember this one.
Weird hours.
Where's the hour?
Wednesday and Friday, 6:30 to 11:30.
All right. Why? Why is it only 2 days? This one's covered in poop. Or is it disease? Then look at the neck.
Oh my god, this is attacking me. Go this way, you can attack me. Oh, there's that.
There's the entrance. Let's check.
Please respect the garden.
Right? It's like they're going towards you, know?
There's a lot of them not scared.
Look at that. Look at this is a giant crab. Crab. Right?
The I'm gonna knock this one.
Look at the rainbow. Taste the rainbow like that.